Updating your legal name on Digsby is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Digsby account. Access your Digsby account by entering your username and password on the login page. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any access issues. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled personal information or profile. Click on this option to access the details associated with your account. Step 4. Update your legal name. Find the field that displays your current name. Click on it to edit and enter your new legal name as you wish it to appear. Double check for any typos or errors before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your name, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to ensure your changes are applied. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your name has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can quickly update your legal name on Digsby. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Digsby support for assistance.